as for using it as a therapist, being able to pinpoint and where the feeling of being stuck is coming from, the guts or the heart or the brain, and seeing those disbalances was very, very, very good. I like to think about stuff. I have a bit of an analytic mind, and this all makes sense to me. And that's quite important. And hearing the language, and understanding that language, and being able to use that language was, was very, very good. I also think as a part of personal development, I think most people should do this. Just to get this understanding of why you are doing things, or why something is holding you back, and what it can be. Just the idea that your heart can give something to your gut, a little bit more courage, or the love for yourself, the passion that you would have for something, and the gut accepting that is helpful for a lot of people.